to another video. Today we have a special buy of the day, Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Like more to review videos. This is the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, so we got special buy of the day, Home Depot. Alright, so we got mostly outdoor power equipment. As you guys see here, you got some Joby 10 amp 18 inch $59.97. Got a pressure washer here, $99. We did see this price before. You got a 40 volts 15 inch string trimmer, carbon fiber, $129. Got a 40 volt battery string trimmer and jet fan blower combo, $169. You got a 2900 2.3 gallons per minute pressure washer, gas, $299. You got a mower, 16 inch Ryobi. This is a hybrid walk behind, $329. Alright, so these are the good ones here. This is the 40 volts. Well, not the good ones as in price, but you know, the good ones as in the top of the line here. You got a 40 volt HP 21 inch cordless walk behind self-propelled, $619. I believe this was $699 when I saw it last time. But it does come with the weed whacker, just keep that in mind. Weed whacker and 3 batteries. So that makes it a good deal. Well, yeah, actually, yeah, it's a pretty decent deal. This one's pretty good too. It does include all these 3 tools: a chainsaw, edger, and string trimmer. $8.99. And then you got the same thing with the dual blade, $9.19. You got the zero turn, $3,599. That's the 75 amp hour. Alright, so this is where it becomes really good deal here. Actually pretty good deal. This is an 18 volt lithium cordless. Let me just check here quick. Cordless string trimmer, M18 fuel blower, edger trimmer, and chainsaw combo kit, 4 tool, $679. If I could check the battery, let me just check real quick. I can't tell what this battery is. Looks like a 6 or an 8. Yeah, it's a 6. So yeah, guys, definitely check it out. Pretty good deal. Just 2 of these tools is $600 basically. This one's $299 by itself. This one's usually $299 by itself with the battery and the combo. So yeah, then again, you're getting like 2 for free basically, if you want to look at it that way. So that's pretty good. Definitely get it if you can. I already have some of these tools. I already have the blower, so I don't need another one here. Let's see if we can go back. Alright, so we got string trimmer from Makita, $149. Plus you get a little string there. Got another string trimmer here, a curved shaft brushless, $159. $159 for this one. I don't know what's the difference. Doesn't look like the difference. You got a green machine, 62 volts, 25 inch edge trimmer with the 2.5 amp hour battery, $149. Then you got a 16 inch 62 volts cut swath brush, $149. You got a 62 volts 16 shaft 16 inch, $189. 62 volt. You got 2 different tools here, $239. I believe comes with the combo, or just, yeah. This is battery and charger included. Alright, so you got a blower here, $249. You got a walk behind mower, $299. Got a self-propelled, $399, so it's not too bad. I actually like the colors. Looks kind of like military. 2,900 psi, 2.3 gallons pressure washer, $2.99. Then we just see this. Looks like I just saw this earlier. Zero turn more. Alright, so these are all sold out. I don't know why would anybody buy these, but I mean, they're still good deals, but not all of us need all these attachments. We got some grills here. We got a pellet grill. Some more grills. Alright, so start out tools. Let me just see. Alright, we got some nailers. Got Freeman pneumatic 21 degree 3.5 round head framing nailer, $119. Got a Husky pneumatic mini palm nailer, $28.88. You got a nailer stapler combo. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're getting 5, $2.79. That's a really good deal. I don't know about this brand though. Iron Horse. If you guys use this brand, let me know down in the comment section. Iron Horse 2-inch 18 gauge brand nailer with case at $40. Got a Husky pneumatic 23 gauge 1-inch, $39.88. You got a USA Corp, Max USA Corp 15 gauge angled finish nailer, $164. Pneumatic. So no deals that pop up here. As a nailer wise. Got a rigid here. This is 2.8, 1/8 brad nailer combo kit with brad. Yeah, so these are brad nailers. $129. All right, you got Makita 5.2 gallon, 3 horsepower single tank, and you get a nailer there. I think it's a roofing nailer, $549. This one's a framing nailer. You're getting a framing nailer with this one, so $519. And this one is the 2.6 gallon, 2 horsepower portable electric hot dog compressor with the, looks like a brad. Yeah, it's a brad nailer. $249. Got an inflator dual function, $79. Those are all sold out. Got some paint sprayers here. The Grey Cool 2010, $678. You got the Wagner 190 high efficiency, $412. Got the Grey Cool Pro X19, $570. You got the, yeah, these are not on sale. This is just save up to. Alright guys, I'm not gonna keep this video longer. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.